when you open your Pixellab, this is how it's going to look like. Although this is a Pixellab Pro, so down here are the sizes templates. Then when you click on the A button, then the circle button, you'll see the other ones are there. Then this other button here is for the background. Anything that has to do with the background, that's what you use this tool here. Then that three button, you click on image size, then you adjust the width to 230, then the height you leave it at that same 1 to 80. Then you click on that paint for the background and click on white. Then the next thing you are going to do is to add a picture to it. So here you can add from import, or you can click on that plus button and click on from gallery. Then you add your background that you want to add. So this is mine. I'll just click on it, then I'll adjust it to fit in with the background. So after adjusting it, I'll click on I'll go to opacity. Click on opacity and reduce the opacity to when it's almost faint. So I'll leave it on 21. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on the plus button from gallery and add my photo. Then you resize it, then click on OK. After resizing, you just adjust it. So this is just a temporary adjustment until I finish the work, then I'll make my permanent adjustment. So I'll click on shape to create shape, click on circle. From there I'll adjust the cycle. Then move up, you'll see color. You click on the plus button and click on that pencil icon there. And from here you can put in the color you have, the color code. Click on it, then click OK. Then boom, your color is ready. Then from that side you can rotate it, put it on the image, click on the image, then click on put to front. Then this shape, use the move button to move it to the back of the stock image. So after that, you click on the mark button, then click on this button, the top right, and lock your background. So when you lock your background, you'll not be able to move it. Then click on text, click on edit, and from here you can now edit your name that you want to use for your flyer. So I'm using SM Visual, that's my business name. So here I'm just going to change the font. Click on my font. If you don't have a font, there is graphic resources that I'm going to drop where you can get font as well. So click on the font I want to use. Then I move to curve or color. Then put the color I want. The color I've already copied from my color code, which you can search in browser. Any color you want, you search for color code of that color. Then you copy it and you can paste it here. Mark on that and click OK. See our color is there. And the next thing I'm going to do is apply a shadow to it. Click on shadow, enable it, then you scroll up to where you see blur radius. You reduce the blur radius to 6, and you slide up again and you see offset Y. You increase it to 6 or so. 6 is okay. Mark it. Then we'll go to curve, click on the curve. Then increase the curve to 10%. Click on it. Then click on that layer as well, and click on that button and click on copy. So I'm going to make a copy of it. Then from this copy, we move to edit. Then I'm going to write data deals in block letter. Then I'll go to curve and put the curve in -10. You can see -10. Mark it, then I'll resize it. As I'll go to text size, then use that button to reduce the size, then adjust it to fit in. After that, I'm just going to move use that to move it. So when you have moved it to where you want to place it in, you mark it. So after that, I'm going to apply another text. So I'm going to adjust this data plug beneath data deals and add color to it to make it more dark. And after that, I'm going to reduce the text. After reducing the text, I'm going to adjust it as well. So after adjusting it, then I'll apply font to it. Pick a favorite font. After applying the font, then I'm going to make it bold. After making it bold, I'm going to add a shadow to it. So you click on shadow, click on enable, then you reduce the blur radius to at least 3, then mark it. And after applying the shadow, I'm just going to click on shape, and to bring out the shape, then I'll increase the radius so that you have a round corner. After doing that, I'll mark it, then I'll resize it to the perfect size for putting in our data deals. So after that, after resizing, I'm just going to apply color, which I've copied. We click on color, enable, click on the plus button, click on the pencil button, then I'll put in the color code which I've copied down. So I'm going to paste it here, click on the mark button, click on OK, and our color is ready. And after that, I'm going to adjust it. After adjusting it, I'm going to click on the plus button at the top left and click on from gallery and put in our MTN icon. So I'll click on the cycle to make it circular, then I'll adjust the shape, and after adjusting the shape, I'll resize it to at least 8%. So after resizing, I'll click on the mark button, and I'll click on position to position it on top of our shape. After putting it on top of the shape, then I'm going to duplicate the shape into 3 places. So after duplicating the shape into 3 places, I'm just going to add their various colors to their shapes. So after successfully adding their colors to their shape, then I'm going to import the network provider icon to the shape as well. So after that, I'm going to add text to this by clicking on this A icon, click on text, click on edit, then I'll go to my notepad which I've written down the text I want to put down. So I'm just going to copy this, click on copy, go back to my Pixellab and paste it there, and click on OK. So now I'm going to readjust it to fit in, clicking on size and making the size in 20. So I'm going to add color to this text, adding a black color to it. Then I'll look for line spacing. Click on the line spacing and increase the line spacing to 8. So after that, I'm going to click on position and position this right of arrow. So after positioning it to the perfect place I want it to be, I'll add another text. So I'm going to apply the text to every shape that's there. So you can see this glow icon is looking a little bit rounded than this. So what I'm going to do is click on that, then move to the last place where you see emboss. In this emboss, I'm going to enable it. You can see it's now looking the same. So I'm going to do the same thing for the Airtel and the 9Mobile. See now they are now looking the same. So what I'm going to do next is to click on that, and I'll move down. You can see 9Mobile and its shape. So what I'm going to do is to click on this, then click on 9Mobile and click on the shape, then click on that to merge it. So I'm going to merge it. If you want to merge, okay, then I'll click on OK. You can see they have merged now. So I'll do the same thing for my glow. I'll merge it. I'll do the same thing for Airtel and MTN. So I'm still going to tap on this layer button, tap on this right up, then tap on that pencil icon, then put it to front, then do the same thing for the rest. Put it to front, put it to front, put it to front. So now we're going to tap on this and tap on the MTN icon. Click on this stroke icon and click on enable, then put it on black and mark it. So I'll do the same thing for Airtel, Glow and 9Mobile. So now I'll be adding some other text which are going to be the last text for this flyer. So this place, I'm going to click on contact, go to color, click on the color, then scroll down to where you see those highlighted right up there, then move it to only contact info, then mark it and click on the color and mark it. You see what I did there? So I'll do it for the second one. So watch, click on the color, then scroll down, then move the highlighted part to other services only, then you click on the color you want, then mark it. So I'm going to do the same thing for make payments. Then to make this bold, I'll scroll to style, click on style, tap on the B icon and mark it. Then I'll do the same thing for everything here. So to make a design, I'll open the text box. Then I'll go to the numbers key that is here. So this number key, I'll click on this slant button and make it plenty. Then click on OK. Then you see this small stuff that is here. I'll rotate it and move it to our stock image. Then I'll make the design black. So I'll give it a color black to make it thick. So the next thing I'm going to do is put it to the back of our stock image by clicking on to back. Then after that, I'm going to create another design by opening a text box. Then click on the number key and click on plus. Then click on OK. Then use the position icon to move it to the flyer. You can see I increase that stuff so that it can move faster. So mark it. Then watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to look for rotate. Yes, then I click on rotate. I'll use this to rotate it to look like a star. Then after that, I'm going to click on this cycle, click on shape, open the shape, and resize it to this size. Then mark it. Then I will rotate using this icon button. Then move it to the bottom of our stock image This is just to make the stock image to not look, the edges should not look so sharp. So I want to make it look blur, so as if it's blending with our flyer. So what I'm going to do, I'll go to shadow, click on it, open it, then click on white color. Then I will scroll up to where you see blur radius, increase the blur radius to the last. Then after marking it, you can see we are finally done with our flyer. So you click on that button, click on save as image, or you can save it as a project so that you can come back and re-edit it as well if you want to edit it. So now I'm just going to save it up. So save as image. Click on custom and click on ultra and save to gallery to make it very sharp.